these
the
things.
most
Yeah.
important thing in
Yeah.
the field of
To make it more
journalism. Yes.
authentic and
Yeah.
to make it
Kuldeep
more
Bhai,
influenced.
Kuldeep Bhai must be knowing that if we draft a report without any quotation, our editors advise us to talk to somebody and add
Oh,
some quotations, because quotations give authenticity.
Authenticity.
kind of
Uh,
references, isn't
yeah,
it?
References.
definitely references and authenticity. The
Yeah.
touch of authenticity to the correspondent, to the news item, and to the
Exactly.
newspaper
That's
as well.
very important aspect. Yeah.
So quotations are important. At least 2 to 3 quotations must be there in your press report.
Okay.
And obviously, we all know that quotations are always drafted into inverted
Inverted commas.
commas,
Yeah.
right? This is the specimen of middle part example of the same news item.
Okay.
Let me read it for you. Sheetal, along with her father and 2 young boys, had begun her journey from Delhi on January 21, 2009, where the President Pratibha Patil had flagged her off. The Beti Bachao mission is guided by Akhil Bhartiya Agrawal Samaj and organized by Gujarat Agrawal Pradesh Mahila Manch.
Okay.
Uh, See, friends, this paragraph tries to indicate the importance of mission,
Okay.
because Sheetal Pandya was flagged off by the President of India.
Ah.
So it gives the importance.
Yeah. Readers will feel like reading it ahead,
Yeah, of course.
isn't it? You know.
This is not
Yeah.
a matter of something less
Yeah.
importance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sheetal, also an employee with Vadodara-based multinational NGO, BPO company, will hold a skating rally from the racecourse to Trikon Bagh on Tuesday. The rally is organized to bring awareness towards the imbalanced ratio of gender. I am appealing to people across the states of Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Maharashtra, and Gujarat not to opt for foeticide. So this paragraph gives uh, something more introduction of Sheetal, and it indicates the spread of the mission. Next, talking about the response she has been receiving, Sheetal said, "My father Jagdish Pandya and his 2 students have accompanied me in this mission. Moreover, my company has issued me special leave for 5 months for this mission." Friends, you will find a quotation here. This paragraph is about the response Sheetal Pandya is getting uh, across the state, across her journey on the skating. Next, when old aged women bow down to me and youngsters come for my autograph, I get boosted up, she added. The another quotation,
By herself.
yes, by herself, and it gives the uh, uh,
Practical picture,
yeah,
perhaps, what actually happened over there and what she went through. You know, she
went through, yeah,
felt so important by doing this. You know,
definitely.
and that adds a flavor.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think it's a source of inspiration,
Exactly. Exactly.
because people are accepting her
A
on this
celebrity.
mission. Yeah,
Yeah.
she
Isn't
feels
it?
she
Yeah.
must be feeling like she is a celebrity. However, Sheetal and her companies have to face difficulties due to the ongoing constructions on the roads. Since we are good at skating, we can walk even on rough road. This paragraph tells something about the problems Sheetal and her company might be facing. They do not have a doctor accompanying them, and so they have kept a first aid box, which fortunately they use it seldom. So, this is the middle part of the press report,
Okay.
in which we give all the necessary details. All the necessary details. We give the answers of who, what, when, where, why in details.
Uh,
Right, sir? Uh, the last concluding part. This part generally focuses on arising curiosity about the issue in the mind of the readers.
okay.
It also may indicate impact, reaction, consequences, future proceedings of the happening. It varies from subject to subject. So, in the last part of our press report, we uh, should make out some point that uh, get our readers engaged to the news.
Exactly.
Yeah, that forces our readers to go for the follow up.
Exactly.
So this is the concluding part. Here is the specimen. Premchand Agarwal of Agarwal Samaj of Rajkot said they support Sheetal's effort and they would support any other programs done for the betterment of the society.
Wow.
So this is the concluding part. It shows the future of this mission.
Exactly.
It shows the backup the mission is getting from the society. So this is the concluding part, and here is the final product with garnishing. Right, sir. So, friends, I hope that we all now know what the structure, what the layout, what the press report is. Let us talk on the box. Box info, popularly known among journalists, is also an important part of press report. However, it is an optional part. It is not necessary to add box in each and every item. But if you find something most important, something more important,
Like subtitle, as you said.
yes, you can give this box info. This is the part in which pieces of information are furnished or decorated that can be used as ready reference. This part always contains something more important, may it be of quotes, figures, opinions, views, such information. Here is the example. We need not go through the whole report, friends, but the box info has been highlighted. Uh, that is, Modi said the Union Home Minister should apologize to the army as he had insulted it by saying that the militants fly because of a fire in the corner of the mosque.
Okay.
CM said Prime Minister, blah blah blah. Modi charged the UPA government for not implementing Cow Protection Act. So there are three items highlighted in the box.
Okay.
All the three items are nothing else but the allegations made by our Chief Minister Narendra Modi on the central government.
Okay.
So allegations or quotations can be put into the box if they are of some importance.
Okay.
Another example. The news is Pak arrests 74 Gujarat fishermen, but the box info is what Muhammad Aslam,
Oh.
the official of Pak police, says. Indian fishermen were caught fishing 75 nautical miles inside Pakistan's territorial waters on Tuesday night. So this is a quotation. These are the same words spoken by Muhammad Aslam. So this quotation gives authenticity, and this quotation is of more importance. That's why it has been given into the box.
Okay.
At the same time, Manish Lodhari, the official of Gujarat Fishermen body, says if Gujarat government implements its program to equip all boats with GPS and other equipment at a cost of rupees 150 crore, such incidents can be avoided. So this is the reaction of Manish Lodhari,
Okay.
the official of our fishermen's body. This is also a quotation. This is also of some importance.
I would
And
appreciate the design as well.
yes, yes.
You know, the inverted comma mark,
Definitely,
which is,
right.
I think this is
And
typical DNA,
DNA style.
design, isn't it? That's very good. I must,
Yeah. At the same time, that's why I have told that box info are furnished or decorated.
Of course.
But as students, we are supposed to draft only. We cannot make designs.
Of course.
Right.
Yes.
It's not our bread and butter. It's not our job. And the column says, with the latest arrest and seizures, the number of Indian boats and fishermen in Pak custody has reached 413 and 530 respectively. So this is the most important piece of information
Okay.
that till the date in the custody of Pakistan, our 413 fishermen are there and 530 boats are there. So this kind of important information can be put into box. Another box. In the box, the figures are given what Rajkot Municipal Corporation uh, has granted for various projects for the citizens of Rajkot. So these are the box information. So it is quite clear what a press report is, what the news source is, how the body of the press report is drafted, what should be there in the introductory part, what should be there in the middle part,
Middle.
and what should be there in the concluding part. At the same time, if needed, what should be there into the boxes or box. Right, friends? Uh, Let us try to understand as a student what should be done before we sit to draft a press
Okay.
report.
That is very important. I think.
Now, yeah, the focus goes on the examinations and teaching learning process of press report after making the concept clear.
Clear.
Right, sir? Initiating. Ask the classic questions: who, what, why, when, where, and how. This is a rough work or the mental process. Ask yourself who inaugurated, who delivered speech, who claimed, who blamed, who unveiled, who announced, who appealed, who were present in the event, and note down the names. But names only will not do.
Okay.
Who is also an important thing. For example, if you draft, Mr. Makadia said that, reader is not aware, reader is not familiar with Mr. Makadia. We are
Okay.
supposed to say who is Mr. Makadia. So we should always draft Mr. Shailesh Makadia, MD of Radhe Group, said that. Sarivaiyaji, here I would like to draw your attention as well as our students' attention towards the use of apposition.
Okay.
And whenever we use apposition, we should put comma after the name,
Okay.
then introduction, again comma.
Oh.
Just like on the screen, Mr. Shailesh Makadia. Who is Mr. Shailesh Makadia? MD of Radhe Group.
Okay.
While drafting, must remember to put comma.
Okay. One more thing I would like to add here, Karya said,
Right.
that when you make something very specific,
Right.
say for an example, here you say Mr. Shailesh
Makadia,
Makadia.
right.
Who is Shailesh
Shailesh
Makadia? You have to
Makadia.
mention it.
Definitely.
So in short, you are telling to be more specific,
Specific.
when you say something.
Because we are drafting a press report. We are
Exactly.
not drafting our Rojnishi.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you know, there is one more thing I would like to add here. The students of MBA are being taught to be more specific when they write something. You know why? Because when you write something, and when you write something very specific, it also shows honesty. You know, when you say something and you are not specific, and you are putting the point in very general, that will be little ambiguous sometimes. And when you are making some lies, you try to be general so you can escape from somewhere.
Definitely.
You know,
Right, sir.
but when you are being specific, it also, knowingly or unknowingly, it adds the honesty into
Honesty,
it. You know,
yes.
that's why also
Right,
a
sir.
specific mentioning is always required.
Very well said. Very well said.
Yeah.
It shows our honesty.
Honesty.
It shows our
Authenticity.
punctuality and
Authenticity as well, isn't it?
Definitely.
Yeah.
One can refer to that particular person also.
Exactly. Yeah.
It gives the impression we are not lying.
Yeah.
We are not preparing the report among the four walls of air-conditioned chamber.
Exactly.
Right, sir?
Exactly. The practical work is
Yes,
also being shown
definitely.
here.
Another style of introduction is Dhaval Shah of C. Jamnadas and Company was of the opinion that, means Dhaval Shah of C. Jamnadas Company. Here we give introduction of a particular person with of construction.
Exactly.
Right, sir? And the third one is Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi on Monday announced. So
Okay.
Gujarat Chief Minister, though we all know who Narendra Modi is, but we must write, especially for the first time, that Mr. Narendra Modi is Gujarat Chief Minister.
Okay.
Because our readers are not Gujaratis, the only Gujaratis, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
They are from outside of the Gujarat.
Exactly.
Another thing I want to draw your attention, friend, is while quoting a person for the first time in the report, write his or her full name or initial.
Exactly.
Only surname will not do.
Okay.
Right? For the first time, we should go for the full name. The second thing, think about what. Sarvayaji, Kuldeep
Okay.
bhai, this is important, I think. Think about what the news is.
So multiple angles.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
because you can have multiple angles
Exactly.
of the same incident or event or happening. From that multiple angles, think about what is the actual news. ખરેખર આ ન્યૂઝ છે શું? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, કોઈ ટોળાએ તોફાન કર્યું છે, કલેક્ટર ઓફિસમાં ભાંગફોડ કરી છે. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ન્યૂઝ. તો કલેક્ટર ઓફિસમાં જે ભાંગફોડ થઈ છે,
Okay.
કેટલું નુકસાન થયું છે, ધીસ ઇઝ વન એંગલ.
Okay.
તોફાની ટોળાએ જે ભાંગફોડ કરી છે એની પાછળ કયું કારણ છે, ધીસ ઇઝ અનધર
Another
એંગલ.
angle. Exactly.
અને તોફાની ટોળાને લીડ કરનાર કોણ હતું, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ થર્ડ ડાયમેન્શન.
Okay.
સો આપણી પાસે ઘણા બધા એંગલ્સ હોય છે. આપણે એ વિચારવું જોઈએ વોટ ધ એકચ્યુઅલ ન્યૂઝ ઇઝ. That thinking gives us the proper angle. Think about why this is news. Is it of something human interest? If it is, this is the news. Right. Think and note down at what people, what products, what items, what dates, what said, what had happened, and other what things related to the news. Why? Think about the reason behind the result, the past behind the present, the action behind the reaction, everything about why. When and where. Be alert. Beware of grammatical mistakes.
Ah, of course.
Right,
Language
sir.
correction is always
Yeah.
required, isn't it?
And how? Again, important question we should ask to ourselves. So this is all about the press report drafting, but I would like to give some tips.
Yeah, of
To my
course. We are
friends.
waiting for that.
Yeah. Start strong. Your
Students,
title-